Hey guys, it's Preston's Lego Show. Today we have more Lego Ninjago. This set is ages 7 to 14. It is number 70622 and it's called Desert Landing and has 201 pieces. And also you can collect the blades in the back. Of course, it was in my last two videos and we got the green one from the last two videos. Now we have the blue one. And it's a motorbike. The Desert Lightning is supposed to be a motorbike. Now let's open this set. And I'm gonna build this set. Hope you guys like it. Alright, we're done. So basically this is what Desert Lightning looks like, and this is the Snake Mobile. And what's really cool about it is that it could go like this and then push down the little boosters. Probably makes it float in the air, probably. And I got the blue time blade. And what's really, you could shoot these. And you can put them back up and it's supposed to have, the Snake Mobile is supposed to have these little tank wheel tire things that are like this, and then it what it actually does is it goes behind a vehicle and then it goes and turn it and makes it to over. And these are one of the new faces of Jay with this side and this side, so it's pretty new. Well, this is all I know about this set, and I hope you guys liked it. See you next time. Bye.
Super video!
Today we have 4 packs. Okay, it's a building.